BSI has been involved in the AMR topic for nearly 3 years now, working with the industry and the AMR Industry Alliance, a consortium of pharmaceutical companies focused on the antimicrobial resistance topic. And we've used our standards creation capabilities to actually bring the industry and the ecosystem of healthcare together to understand what does best practice look like when measuring waste streams in a manufacturing environment. So we have now successfully developed a private standard with the AMR Industry Alliance that was published in June of 2022. That standard is publicly available for organizations to download, read, digest, and understand how they could embed the measurement capabilities into their manufacturing of their own operations, but also push it down through their supply chain. BSI is now developing a certification scheme to actually assess as an independent, neutral, third-party body as to whether or not the pharmaceutical manufacturers are indeed compliant and adhering to said industry private standard that we have developed. That certification scheme is in pilot right now and is intended to be launched at the end of Q1 2023. For widespread adoption across the pharmaceutical industry and also the industry's supply chain, because API manufacturing as well as finished drug product are both in scope for the certification scheme. And ultimately that measurement is really focusing on the wastewater management and the waste control of when antibiotics are manufactured, and how ultimately we will be able to grant a certificate to organizations that are adhering to the standard that has been written. So BSI is really involved in this topic. We see it as an opportunity for us to have a purpose-driven impact for the pharmaceutical industry, given our not-for-profit distribution status as an organization, really driving impact and change in a key sustainability topic for the broader healthcare ecosystem. So look forward to really encouraging and raising awareness around this standard and the certification scheme. You can find out more information on BSI's website. If you want more information, please feel free to reach out to the email address provided here. Thank you and look forward to having you on board.